Riri mitino ya bara thiete na mbere kwongerereka na gucungirira ikuo na nguraro njuru kuri muingi wa bururi ari ni hamwe na arutwo university ya Pwani na arutwo secondary ya Bihi. Mbondi ya ruhonge rwa kuramata wagiriru barabara-ini NTSA niirugamitie wira murugamiriri munene wa NTSA George Njao. Kuringana na muikarigiti wa Mbondi iyo Nur Ali, Njao ahetwo rutha rwa kiahinya rwa thiku 30 niguo kuhotithia Mbondi iyo gutabanio thuthuria wa kiria gicungirire mitino ya barabara kwongerereka.
We have given our Director General 30 days leave of absence so that we can be able to investigate some of the information that we need to get it, and until the board will decide otherwise.
Leo Mbondi ino ni amurite Cosmas Igeso ta murugamiriri munene wa ihinda riri nayo kamiti ya mwanya gitanyo guteithiriria hari uthuthuria. Mbondi ino ni kajite marua ma ukui ma sacco iria ciothe ngari ciacio irakuruhanitio mitino-ini ya barabara kwa ihinda ria thiku 30 mihituku.
We are here by suspension of their licenses with immediate effect pending in investigation or an inspection of their vehicle to ascertain their roadworthiness, driver qualification and driving abilities, examination and operation adherence to the PSV regulation.
Hamwe na sacco iria ihutitio ni ndeto ino ni hamwe na kambuni ya baadhi ya Tahmid iria yagire na mutino wa barabara mwena wa Kifuja na Ikuru barabara-ini ya Naikuru guthii Eldoret na gucungirira ikuo cia ndwana. Kambuni cia Team SWAT Logistics, Taita Taveta Sacco na Kioga Holiers iria ciakuruhanirie mitino-ini itiganite gatagati-ini ga tariki 15 na tariki 30 mweri uyu na gucungirira ikuo cia andu 15 cire ciothe.
Above SACCOs are with immediate effect, their licenses have been withdrawn.
Mbondi ino ni heanite mukana wa gutacukiria makinya ma kiwatho kuri aruti wira othe ya NTSA aria mekunyitikana makiheana marua kana motungata o mothe ma ruhonge ruu hatari guthingata mitaratara iria gathikitwo.
Any such member of staff shall be held personally and criminally liable for any accident involved in such vehicles or drivers.
Kameme TV, jitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.